Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Web Techie. In this video, we are going to learn list items, and you can see here there are some list items are available here. Now this type of concept, this type of designing is possible with the help of list items. So we are going to learn how to create list items like this. Friends, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get the notifications. Share my videos and comment it. Thank you. So list items are different types. As you can see in the output here, see one is with numbers and one more is with alphabets and one more is with dots. So we are going to discuss OL, which stands for order listing, and one more is UL, unordered listing, and in between we are going to use one more tag also, that is called LI, that is list item. So these are the tags which we are going to discuss now. Let us start writing a code. So my web page is ready. Basic template. I'll remove this background color here, which we discussed that one earlier in the earlier videos. So let me write something here, H2, which we discussed also. I'll just type it example of list items, right? So I want to write list items here. Say some city names I want to write it. OL, order listing, and in this we are going to write LI. It's a list item and list item will be closed in this. And here I'm going to write it, say Hyderabad. I'm writing the city names, and I want to write one more here, LI, and let me write one more here, like that. I want to write and finally one more city name I'll include it here, Bangalore. So here we are using OL, that means order listing, and the output which we are going to get it is with the help of numbers 1 2 3 4 like that. So let me save this file as list.html file. As you know that our web pages should be saved as a .html file. So now let me run this file. I'll go to my folder, and this is my file, and in previous videos I explained you how to execute it. Just double click on this, it will be executed. Now see friends, here we have 1 2 3 4 5 here, and we got all the city names here, and this matter can be your choice, you can type whatever you wanted, but we got the list items here, and you can see there is a space here left side. See indent, this space is normally in any document, it may be a word or anything, this space is called a indent space. We got a space. See here I written here H2 because so that you can understand that how the space you are getting it here. When you type OL with the list item, you are going to get a left side some indent space here. So this same thing I want to use with the help of UL. So if I type UL, what happens? UL has to be closed, and here I am going to write LI, and LI I am going to close it. I'll do one thing, instead of writing this entire thing again, I'll just copy the same matter. Your wish, if you want you can change it. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Save this file. Now execute this in my browser. Now I can see we got this 1 2 3 4 5 and these dots here. So this is how the list items can be created, friends. And if you want this text should be in a bigger, you can write H1 to H6 also. Before this H1 or H2, H3, you can use it here. But you may ask that how to get that A, B, C, D or some other letters there. In the next video, I'll explain you about that one. How to get that, how to change these values here. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I want to use A, B, C, D like that. Or I want to use the Roman numbers. So that we'll see it in the next video. Thank you, friends. Please subscribe my channel Web Techie and share my videos and comment my videos. Thank you very much.